Hello everyone, in today's lecture we are going to discuss about the shift instructions. So the topic is shift instructions. So basically today we will discuss about the six shift instructions. It is logical shift left. It is also called as shift left operation. Okay, logical shift left and simple shift left both are same. So it is denoted as SHL. Second is logical shift right. It is denoted as SHR. SHL. It is similar to the logical shift left operation. There is no difference between logical shift left and arithmetic shift left. So we are not going to discuss arithmetic shift left because the operation is completely same with logical shift left operation. Fourth is arithmetic shift right operation. It is written as ASHR. A stands for arithmetic, SH is shift, and R is right. And fifth is circular shift left. Circular operations are also called as rotate operations. It is written as CIL, that is circular left. Next is circular shift right. It is written as CIR. Now I am going to discuss each operation, each instruction in detail. So first of all, we will talk about logical shift left operation. So what is logical shift left operation? As its name is indicating, in this the bits of the data are shifted in the left position. So let's take one example. Suppose we are having 8 bits. You can take any number randomly. Now these are 8 bits. Now we have to perform logical shift left operation on these bits. Now we have to perform logical shift left operation on these bits. Now here you can see what is happening. We have to shift every bit in the left position. Okay, so here 1 will come here, 0 will come here, 1 will come here, this will come here, and this will here, and here. And this bit goes out of the register. Okay, and in the last position you can see it is empty now. So append 0 here. That means take the value 0 in the last bit. Okay, so now after performing logical shift left operation, what the upper what this will become, it will become and here this blank bit will be appended with 0. Okay, so this is logical shift left operation. Now we will discuss logical shift right operation. So what is happening here in this, the rightmost bit will go out from the register and the leftmost bit will be appended with 0. So now here this bit will be moved to this position. The shifting will be done in the right direction. Here the shifting was in left direction. Now you can see here that again this bit will be moved out of the register. Okay, so so there is the loss of this last bit here. So after shifting the bits, what it will become? It will become 0 1 0 1010, and here this space left blank, so here append 0, 0. Okay, so so what happens in arithmetic shift right? In the previous in the previous operations, that was logical shift left and logical shift right, there was one bit loss. Okay, in logical shift left there was one bit loss from left position, and in the logical shift right there was one bit loss from the rightmost position. So here what happens in arithmetic shift right? Here it preserves the sign bit, it preserves the sign bit. But in logical shift left and logical shift right, there was no condition of preserving the sign bit. Arithmetic shift right is usually used where we have to represent the number in 2's complement. Okay, so basically it is used to represent the number that is in 2's complement form. So here the speciality of this arithmetic shift right operation is that it preserves the sign bit. The sign bit of the number remains same. So now we will understand this by taking one example. So now here how this arithmetic shifting of right. Now here how arithmetic shift right will work. Here the leftmost bit, that is the most significant bit, it will remain same. Right, we append 0 at this position. Okay, so it will also be come here on this position after shifting. So number will become 1010010. Now here you can see that rest the procedure is similar with logical shift right operation. Okay, only difference is that the sign bit remains same. Here 1 is representing negative number. Okay, that means the number is negative here. So next is arithmetic shift left operation. Arithmetic shift left operation works in the same manner as logical shift operation do. Same as logical shift left instruction. There is no difference between arithmetic shift left and logical shift left. Now we will discuss about fifth shift instruction, that is rotate right, or you can say circular shift right. So what happens in circular shift right? Here no bit is wasted, that means there is no bit loss. All the bits are preserved here. So I will take one example to elaborate what is rotate right operation. So it works in the similar manner as we do in the right shift operation. Only difference is in between the first and last bit. So here now this 0 will be moved to this direction. 0 1 0 1 0 1 1. Okay, so this bit will be shifted at the first position. So here at this first position 1 will come. Okay, so this is circular shift right operation. Now you can see here that there is no bit loss here about. So now we will discuss rotate left, or you can say circular shift left instruction. So how it will work? Let's say the bits are Okay, so now what will happen here? It is circular shift left. So here this bit will be shifted at the last position. So here put 1 at the last position, and rest you have to do the left shift operation. So here 0 will come here, then 1 1 1 0 1 0. Okay, so here you can see that there is no bit loss. Simply shift left operation is performed and the first bit will be shifted at the last position. So this is circular shift left operation.